Hey guys, if you have been looking for a unique trading strategy which can give you profitable trades on daily basis, then I will advise you to watch this to the end. Right here is a signal which we actually picked up using the same strategy. We saw this signal yesterday and we followed it and check out the performance. We came in at this point, and of course this is where it is at the moment. Okay, so that's so amazing. I'm going to share with you how you too can pick up profitable trading signals like this on daily basis. Now let's say how we go about it. But before we go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the contents you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now. Like this video and share this video with friends and family. And if you have any question at all, you can drop your question for me in the comment section or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply. Now let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, so this is a support zone. Yesterday when I was analyzing this, we saw this particular setup yesterday, and of course, after having a very good downtrend for a while, it got to this support zone. It was unable to break out below the support zone, so it switched into an uptrend, and we saw it yesterday. So we had to give out this setup. This happened to be our entry point, and we have our support zone. I mean, stop loss at the support zone. Okay, we are on 15-minute time frame, so this is huge, guys. Okay, so we also highlighted some TPs for us. TP 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. TP 1 to 4 had been achieved. Okay, and we are waiting for TP5. It almost achieved TP5 before having this pullback. Okay, hopefully it will go back there and achieve TP5. Okay, so that is very, very important. So congratulations to those of you who are able to pick up this trading signal. Okay, so quickly, I'm going to explain to you how this strategy work, and I will be using this as an example because this is another signal that is going on already. The strategy is called the trend trading strategy, and what we do is just to follow the trend. Okay, and that means that we only support a signal that goes along with the trend. For instance, when this asset was on uptrend, okay, if the asset is on uptrend, then definitely the signal that we should support right there is a buy signal. So we should look for every opportunity to buy into it. If it is on downtrend, then the signal that we should follow should be a sell signal. So we should look for opportunity to sell. So in this situation, this has actually gotten to the resistance. It has not been able to break out from there. And something has happened earlier because whatever you are doing on the chart, it always repeats itself. Okay, so that is it. So probably it has happened before, that is why it is taking that direction again. So if you should notice, at this point it has also gotten to this resistance and it was unable to break out from there. So this time around it is getting there again. It has not been able to break out from there. So since it has not been able to break out from there, this is giving us double tops. And of course, if you should check out the big picture, this is also giving us a kind of M vibes, and the last leg of M is always a very long downtrend. Okay, so and my indicator is also giving us the indication that this is also going to sell because it has changed from this yellow color into this red color. The red color shows that the market is on downtrend. Okay, so we have been able to confirm it from every angles like that. So, and of course it gave us a downtrend signal and a sell signal at this point. So what do you need to do if you have seen this before? Okay, first of all, highlight the resistance zone because we are most likely to use that for our stop loss. Okay, it all depends on our entry point. Okay, so and of course I've highlighted it. Then after that we should highlight our entry point. Normally this should be our entry point. Okay, and of course um but because the movement has started already, so we're going to adjust our entry point right now. Okay, so normally this should be our entry point and this should be our um it should be the right place for the stop loss because it's not so far from the entry point. Then we can have highlighted TPs around there. Actually, this particular trade is coming towards this end, so definitely we can have our TPs in between then we put the last TP. We put the last TP at this point. Okay, so and that is how you do your setup normally. So we're on 15 minutes time frame, so these are unique TP sections. Okay, and if we had done this, definitely first TP will have closed, second TP will have closed. So we only have the third, fourth, and the fifth TP to look out for. But since it has started already, we can only come in again after a pullback. Okay, after a pullback. So let's see if we will get a pullback. Sometimes we have a major pullback, and when that happens, you just need to adjust your entry point to where you get the sell signal, then you readjust your stop loss to a reasonable level and you still try to achieve the rest of the TP. But for now, that is what you need to do. You need to wait for an opportunity for you to enter into the system. And the only opportunity you need to wait for is when there is a pullback. For instance, right here is a pullback. So after the pullback, it gave us the sell signal. So you can easily put in your entry point at that point. So when we have such pullback around here, then that is when you should go in and try to see how you can achieve the rest of the TP. So it is as simple as that, guys. So this will be targeting this region, and if it breaks out from here, definitely it's going to sell more and be maybe coming to the last support zone at this point. But first it should be targeting this point. Okay, so this is very, very important. So I hope you have learned a lot from today's video. So this strategy is so simple and so unique. All you need to do is just to follow the trading signal. I mean, to follow the signals that support the trend. If it is on uptrend, it should be a buy signal. If it is on downtrend, then it should be a sell signal. And it is always good if you start the signal right from the beginning of the trend, okay, because it will give you an opportunity to earn a lot to the very last. Okay, so this is very, very important. I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. And if you love this content, kindly give me kindly subscribe to this channel right now and like this video and share it with friends and family. Okay, and of course, guys, if you have any question at all, you can drop your question for me in the comment section or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply. Thank you and God bless you.